Nursing school doesn't teach you everything you need to know, including dermatology. And while you can Google your life away, or you can go to YouTube University like the rest of us, I'm here to help you. I want to make your journey much more efficient and much more focused, provide you a strategy so you can do what I wasn't able to do much quicker, much faster, with greater satisfaction. And that's why I created this newest ebook, From Bedside to Dermatology, a step-by-step guide for nurses with you in mind, whether you're a new nurse, practicing clinician, about to graduate, LPN, RN, new NP. It has everything from real-life job announcements, how to create a dermatology-focused CV, how to establish your digital presence and footprint, how to make those connections when you're looking for mentorship and shadowing. Certainly it has resources in there, and it has real-life NPs who are willing to help you in medical, surgical, and aesthetics. They offer mentorship and training. They've been in the game for a long time. They're passionate about what they do, and they come highly qualified. I invite you to visit the Virtual Preceptor Shop today to download your copy. Please share this with your friends, your students, your mentees, and if you find it valuable, please leave a review so that other people know it's valuable too. I have to thank you all for this inspiration. I welcome your questions, and please let me know how I can continue to support you.